Friendship is a sweet coin, but relationship is a gold coin. Always keep it safe. Punjab allows bursting green firecrackers for 2 hours on Diwali and Guru Parab. Punjab has announced a 2 hours window for bursting green firecrackers on Diwali and Guru Parab. People can burst green firecrackers from 8 pm to 10 pm on Diwali, and on Guru Parab they will be allowed from 4 am to 5 am and from 9 pm to 10 pm. On Christmas Eve, people can burst these crackers from 11:55 pm to 12:30 am. Active COVID-19 cases in India dropped below 5 lakhs for first time after 106 days, said government. Active COVID-19 cases in India have dropped below 5 lakhs for first time after 106 days, with the count currently standing at 4,94,657. As per Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the total cases have reached 86,36,011 after a one-day spike of 44,281 cases, while the death toll has surged to 1,27,571. The number of recoveries has increased to 80,30,783. Russian coronavirus vaccines are safe and effective, said Putin. Russian President Vladimir Putin on Tuesday said the 2 COVID-19 vaccines developed by Russia are safe and effective. The people who have been vaccinated and who have then had contact with people who have contracted coronavirus have not contracted COVID-19 themselves, or they only have mild symptoms, he added. The third COVID-19 vaccine is in the pipelines, Putin further said. Could not have asked for anything more, said Rohit Sharma after IPL win. MI captain Rohit Sharma said as a leader he couldn't have asked for anything more after his side won their 5th IPL title on Tuesday. I'm quite happy how things went the whole season. We were right on money from ball one and we never looked back, Rohit said. This was MI's second IPL title in a row. Tamil Nadu theatres reopened after 8 months amid COVID-19 pandemic. Theatres in Tamil Nadu reopened on Tuesday after nearly 8 months owing to COVID-19 pandemic. However, a majority of them would open on Wednesday. This comes amid virtual print fee, which is VPF, issue between producers, digital service providers and theatre owners. Tamil Film Active Producer Association announced there will be no new Tamil releases until the VPF charges are cleared. Nearly 1 in 5 COVID-19 patients develop mental illness within 90 days, said study. Nearly 1 in 5 people who have had COVID-19 are diagnosed with a psychiatric disorder within 90 days, a study published in the Lancet Psychiatric Journal said. The Oxford University study analyzed the electronic health records of 69.8 million people in US, including 62,354 cases of COVID-19. Anxiety, depression and insomnia were most common among recovered COVID-19 patients who developed mental illness. Lebanon's central bank to introduce digital currency by 2021. The governor of Lebanon's central bank, Riyad Salameh, on Tuesday said that the country is planning to introduce a digital currency by 2021 to restore confidence in the banking sector and transition into a cashless system. He added that since the country doesn't have any natural resources, they have to keep gold as an asset. Bahrain's Prime Minister, longest serving PM in the world, dies aged 84. Bahrain's Prime Minister Prince Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa passed away at the age of 84 on Wednesday at US Mayo Clinic Hospital. Prince Khalifa, who served as Bahrain's PM since 1971, was the world's longest serving Prime Minister. Bahrain's king has ordered a week-long period of mourning during which flags will be flown at half-mast. Scientists make AI-powered electronic nose to sniff out meat freshness. A Nantang Technology University Singapore scientist led them has developed an AI-powered electronic nose that assesses the freshness of meat. It comprises a barcode that changes color in reaction to gases from rotting meat and a smartphone app with the barcode reader that predicts meat freshness. When tested on commercially packaged samples, the e-nose showed a 98.5 accuracy, the team said. Most memorable 15 seconds, said first Indian to ride a Hyperloop. Tane Majrekar, an engineer from Pune who works at Virgin Hyperloop, has become the first Indian to ride a Hyperloop at the company's US test facility. It was the most memorable 15 seconds of my life, said Majrekar, who travelled in the Hyperloop test pod for 500 meters. The technology involves pods inside vacuum tubes carrying passengers at high speeds. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Railway Station, formerly known as Victoria Terminus, was the first ever railway station in India. It is the smallest park in the world according to the Guinness Book of Record. The park is a circle of 60.96 cm diameter. Aluminium foil really can improve your Wi-Fi speed. Wi-Fi is 100 times faster than Wi-Fi and uses light instead of radio frequencies. Cadbury was the first company that started the custom of not working on bank holidays, and that is how the trend started, so you have got to thank them for that.